Welcome to the future of seamless logistics and e-commerce. Revolutionize your logistics operations with our cutting-edge solutions. Navigate smarter with precise route optimization. Streamline and monitor your transport operations seamlessly. Transport goods with unmatched efficiency over road and sea. Ensure your fleet is always road-ready with proactive maintenance. Maximize dock productivity with advanced management tools. Optimize your warehouse operations with our transformative solutions. Enhance yard efficiency with intelligent organization systems. Deliver vehicles securely and efficiently to their destinations. Welcome to our e-commerce solutions. Expand your e-commerce boundaries with our innovative suite. Manage your product information with unparalleled accuracy. Integrate effortlessly across major e-commerce platforms. Deliver a consistent brand experience across all touchpoints. Enhance the purchasing experience with robust and reliable POS solutions. Our on-demand solutions. Empower your business with versatile on-demand solutions. Provide seamless ride experiences with our customizable platforms. Speed up food delivery times with our smart solutions. Swiftly deliver essential goods when and where needed. Embrace AI for efficient restaurant order management. Connect and dispatch service professionals with ease and reliability. Discover the future with our innovative solutions today.